Hi, in this video we are going to see the Common Entrance Test 2021 for the July session for the PhD programs from one of the state university, and huge vacancies are there from the 49 subjects. Eligibility as a post-graduation, and the selection will be based upon the online entrance test followed by one interview will be there. But the candidates who are qualified the UGC NET examination, those candidates are exempted from the entrance test. Fine. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admission in the state universities. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get more notifications like this from my side, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this Common Entrance Test PhD program from the state university. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so here you may check down the common entrance test for PhD to main admission to PhD in full-time or part-time or else the MPhil programs July 2021 session, and it is from Madurai Kamaraj University. So here in the PhD full-time or part-time programs, total 49 subjects are there, and coming to the MPhil program regular, total 43 subjects are there. Fine. So application fee for the PhD 2000 rupees and 1000 rupees for the SC/ST students, and the MPhil 1500 rupees and 750 rupees for the SC/ST students. Fine. So here for online payment, SBI Collect online payment link is there, and if you want to apply online, that means interested and eligible candidates, you have to apply online through this one. Fine. So here it is a dashboard, and then we will check out the eligibility. Fine. So we will see step by step here to get the complete details regarding this notification. So candidates willing to register to PhD program should have a bachelor's degree as well as a master's degree, 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, that means 10th class, and plus 2 means 10 plus 2 intermediate, and 3 means degree. It might be 4 also in the BTech case. So plus 2 PG. Fine. Of this university or any other university recognized by this university as equivalent thereto in concerned disciplines with not less than 55% of marks in the aggregate marks in the master's degree. Fine. And coming to the out of the 55%, the 5% relaxation is there to the candidates belongs to OBC non-creamy layer, differently abled or SC/ST categories of candidates as per the decision of the authority from time to time. And yeah, so students who are pursuing their final year post graduation course may also apply for the common entrance test for the PhD program. Fine. So it is eligibility, and in this eligibility here you have to carefully check down. They mention that you have to get the bachelor's degree and master's degree from this university or any other university recognized by this university. So it is resembling that only this university as well as the affiliated colleges by this university candidates may be applied to this one, because that point is resembling like that. So you please once check out guys. And coming to the online entrance test, so the online entrance test shall be conducted by the university and shall comprise the 2 parts with duration of 2 hours. And the entrance test shall be of objective type with maximum 50 marks each part. The first part includes the research aptitude, English comprehension, logic and general reasoning, and second part shall be in the subject concerned in which candidates is willing to pursue the PhD degree. The online entrance test centers are Madurai, Coimbatore, Dindigul, and Chennai, and Sivakasi, and Thoothukudi, Tiruchi, and Tirunelveli, and Virudhunagar. So subject to change depending upon the minimum strength. Fine. And selection by integrating the entrance test marks and the performance of candidates in the interview, the department research committee shall rank the candidates on the basis of the marks that they got in entrance test as well as the interview. Fine. So allocation of students, the selection board shall allot the students to research supervisors based upon the rank of the candidate on the basis of specific area of research preferred by the candidate and the vacancy available with the research supervisors. Fine. So it is online entrance test. And coming to the pattern of online entrance examination, total 2 parts will be there. 50 marks for the research aptitude, English comprehension, logic and general reasoning, and 50 marks for the subject concerned. And if you want to get the model question papers, you may check down PhD in 2019 and PhD in 2020, whatever the question papers they got. Okay, you may check down here. And coming to the exemption, So here the candidates are exempted from the entrance test as well as the interview also. That means directly they can admit to the PhD program if they satisfy these conditions. Okay. So candidates with JRF or SRF sanctioned by national or the state level research funding agencies who have been admitted following the recommended admission procedure. Candidates duly selected by a committee constituted by research department or center or institution, and the candidates may directly apply to the university departments or research centers in colleges for admission and need not to apply for the entrance examination and need not to pay the online registration fee also. Fine. So you have to check down this exemption category. And coming to the important information, so here the dates are given. On opening of online registration 15th July 2021, and the last date for submission of online application is 13th August 2021. The duration of entrance test is 2 hours. The date and time of the entrance test will be notified shortly. So registration fee already I shown to you. And coming to the online payment, okay, the link is there, so you may check down. So yeah, so instructions for the payment and type or select for the following details. Okay, so all these things are given here, you have to carefully check down, right? And coming to the prospectus, whatever the details we've gone through, so it is a prospectus, clearly mentioned the points. And so while coming to the subjects, so what are the subjects are offering by this university? So total 49 subjects, as I told: biochemistry, biomedical science, biotechnology, botany, biology, business administration, chemistry, commerce, computer science, environmental, remote sensing and cartography, economics, education, English, English language studies, environmental studies, energy science, folklore and food and nutrition, Gandhian thought and peacemaking, and genetics and geography, history, immunology, Islamic Tamil studies, journalism and mass communication, Kannada, library and information science, linguistics, Malayalam, material science, marine biology, mathematics, microbiology, molecular biology, physical education, physics, political science, public administration, rural development, and Saiva Siddhanta philosophy, and philosophy, psychology, Sanskrit, social work, sociology, Tamil, Telugu, tourism management, and zoology. Fine. So total these are the 49 subjects, guys. And these are all the points already we saw. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you please carefully check down, guys. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And to get the more notifications from my side like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.